Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Of this video it's all about the secret gardens designs. Secret gardens designs are also much amazing, much beautiful, also demanding, also charming, and most beautiful ideas. You look very gorgeous, very stunning, very embellished, and beautiful things in a beautiful, good looking, attractive, and different amazing ideas. You will be amazing, also good things we have to share with you. Everyone you like more secret gardens are also share with you, and you will be so stunning. Are also share with newest videos and a newest design, good more elegance videos. Hope so I really share with newest videos. Everyone more demanding videos, good more elegance designs, and different amazing ideas, different most beautiful things. You will be amazing, you will be attractive and decent, good looking, and most demanding videos. Hope so I really share with you. Everyone you like more attractive videos in attractive design in different types of ideas are also share with you. You look very beautiful things in a beautiful charming looks. Hope so it's newest in a very attractive in different attractive and most demanding videos, or also good secrets that gardens are most fabulous and stunning videos. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly and stunning designs in different amazing ideas, different butterflies, and different secrets ways. Are you like more demanding videos? I really share with newest videos in a newest designs. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly and most demanding videos. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most attractive and most demanding videos and most beautiful ideas. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly, and some things for newly videos are also most attractive videos in a good looking ideas, in a good looking secrets gardens. Secrets gardens are also charming, also beautiful, and you will be beautiful ideas are also sharing good more elegance videos. Hope so I will share with you. Take care. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome.